I want to introduce you the Connect Providers panel and show you how we can add our services as a provider on Solon. At the first, I want to introduce Connect OS. Connect OS is a service on Solon that empowers merchants to connect their shop to third-party services like Printful. I'm going to the channels in the Connect tab and select Connect New Services here. And I can now select something like Printful. Printful is a POD and it's in the dropshipping category. Okay, I can select Auto Connect and connect my shop to Printful. So if I want to, if I am a dropshipping supplier or any third-party services that provide this kind of service, how can I connect my service to Solon? How can I provide this ability to other merchants to connect their services, their shop to my services? So to do that kind of work on Solon, I should go to my shuttle here and I should go to the providers tab. As a default, you can see this tab. So if you want to see this tab, click preferences and in the extra tabs, select show for connect providers and click save. Okay, I'm in the providers tab and now I want to add a new provider. I added a provider before, so it's super simple. I enter in service name here, description, set the status, and I should enter the phone number and the website URL here. It's required, and select the service type. Right now, Solon support dropshipping service type as a service type. So I select dropshipping and set access, require access like sync categories if my service provide categories of the products, sync products and orders, and click add. Okay, I created a provider here. I click on my provider. Right now I should create a bridge. Bridge is a connection between your service and Connect OS, and I should pay $25 one-time payment to create a bridge. I created two wallet with USD currency and charge it before, and just click to pay. Okay, I paid the fee of creating Connect Bridge, and now I can test my Connect provider. Let me show you my Connect provider in the real world. Okay, I'm coming back to my shop dashboard and the Connect tab and select Connect New Services. Now I can search and find my Connect provider here. And as you can see, this is a private. That's because I should request to verify my provider here. After that, I implement everything a provider needs to works fine. There is some tabs that I need to implement my provider. it's the stores tab. I can see the list of all connected shops here. It's the alt tab. I can implement authentication flow here. I should select auth2 i2.0 that's recommended and fill out the form. There is some guide to show how you can implement this type of authentication. It's the APIs tab. I can find documents here and the access key here. Of course, I can regenerate the keys. And it's the webhooks. It's most important thing in implementing connect providers. I can find documents here and find the sign key here. If it's empty, you should create a new one. And of course, you can find a sample project in the documentation. I will show the sample project. It's the logs. I can find the logs of all webhooks calls here. And finally, it's a setting. I can edit my connect provider. If you want to see the sample project of the connect provider, you should go to API developers here, select connect OS, and here you can find the sample project that made by Laravel and Vue here. It's on GitHub and it's open source. And of course you can find more detailed documents here.